Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome back to another 10-minute drop challenge. Today we're tackling Riddim inside of Ableton. I'm going to use Serum, going to use, I think, a vocoder. I got an idea in my head and I kind of want to vocode that sound, make a Serum bass on top of it, and then see how we go from there. Fingers crossed it sounds decent. I guess the next logical thing is to actually do it. Alright, made a couple more audio tracks, bumped the BPM up to 149 because 150, I don't know, I'm an idiot. Okay, I think I'm ready to start. Okay, timer in 3, 2, 1, start. And it's going. Okay, first thing, we need to get this idea out of my head. So, preferences, built-in microphone, check. Okay, metronome. Yeah, recording? Sweet. Okay, so my idea goes like this. Yep. And that's it. That's my brilliant idea. Let's turn off the input and let's hear this masterpiece. Yep. So if you don't already know, it's in triplets and it is wonky. Yep. It's fucking funny. Oh my god, this is gonna be a weird one already. Vocoder. A few more bands. Sweet. Let's duplicate that. Actually have a serious vocoder that can be triggered from our best friend Serum. Okay. Can I just... Oh, Ableton, you lifesaver. It even captured my terrible playing. So if you don't know, it's this button. It kind of like listens to the MIDI you're just mucking around on, and it will record it in the background. Then if you click that button, it will bring it into your session. So that's the Ableton 10 thing, which, yeah, honestly, big lifesaver. But now I need to make sure my playing is not shit, and just edit these notes. That's alright. It's 10 minutes, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, this is our second vocoder, right? External from Serum. That's weird. Maybe we'll bring an octave down in Serum. Alright, we need a better waveform. B sword maybe? Classic FM from B, octave up, turn that down. What's like a wonky Riddim LFO pattern? Like, maybe that? I said FM from B! Yeah, that's very basic, but, you know, it's 10 minutes and we haven't got that long to go. Come on, where's the come? No. It needs hyperdimension. Maybe a little bit of phaser. Definitely some OTT. Maybe some wonky notches on the summons. Sounding a little bit too 303 at the moment. We need some low pass. No, that is trash. Fuck it, that'll do. Distortion. No, too much. Need some like classic, oh, 5 minutes to go. Now fuck it, whatever. Okay, this needs just shitloads of effects. Oh, my ear holes. That's not sounding that bad, apart from the fact that it's clipping to the days and distorted and just, yeah. Is there some resonant frequencies that we just need to absolutely destroy? Yep. All together now, boys. Let's hear this beautiful unison of bass bangers. I still feel like it's got some... Yowza! Okay, can we... Where the fuck is half? Yeah, that'll do. Oh my... But that's good. That's just gonna have to be the bass. We are running out of time. I haven't even done drums. Oh my goodness. Medallion's bangers. Let's go with the one that's not dedicated to a specific frequency. Okay, now I actually haven't really made that much rhythm before, / ever. I'm guessing it's kick and then clap on the kick. Yeah. No. Oh my god, I'm stressing now. I've got 3.5 minutes. Everybody knows that because they can look at the fucking timer on the screen as well. YOLO. This is just gonna get squished together like... Yep, that'll do. Actually, we need some reversies, kind of... Maybe pitch this up a couple of semitones. Reverse it. Yeah, that's alright. It's a pretty unconventional way how to make rhythm, but you know, when you got 10 minutes on the clock and a crazy idea in your head that you're gonna vocode the shit out of it, this camera angle is whack. There we go. I forgot what I was gonna do now. I forgot what I was gonna say as well. Bonzo on the dials, lifesaver. Rhythm's got like reverb clappies. Reverb clappies. Okay! Oh my god, we need sidechain. Fuck's sake. Sidechain to medallion kick. And this sidechain will also go to those wonderful, wonderful basses. Since it is triplets, can we do another? No, maybe it's that one. Yeah. We need some... Okay, I'm not feeling too stressed out. We got the drums basically down. They're not that ideal, but it is 10 minutes. We do need risers. Risers. Yeah, we can chop the tail end off that and then add it. Maybe every second one? Let's just duplicate everything. That's gonna have to do. We ain't got time for anything else. Yup. I don't know. What the fuck? Oh, I need to sneeze as well. Oh, what if this changes to like a louder kind of... No, lower. Reverb! Sidechain, 50 seconds to go. I kind of wanted to do some effects, but I'm going to run out of fucking time. As per usual. I feel like we need another layer on those drums. It's just a bit stale at the moment. And, fuck. 20 seconds to go. What am I looking for? Matrix, maybe some glitches of some sort. Oh my, 10 seconds. Fucking sick. Alright. Not gonna be able to listen to them. Hopefully they're gonna sound good. Yay, nice! We spent far too long on that bass. I didn't even get to double it up. Okay, 5 minutes of tweaks. There's just so many things that's annoying me with this. Mostly just the fact that these like riser whoops aren't in the correct pitch whatsoever. So I'm gonna work on that and maybe a few things to clean up the bass and add a bit more to the drums. And then once that's done, we will take a listen together, ozone the shit out of the master. All right, tweak time. Alright, I'm halfway through my tweaks and I've just discovered something. If I turn off the serum, the vocoder and the other weird vocoder actually sound pretty decent together. So they sound like this. All it needs is like a fatty kind of sine wave bass behind it, doing the main pattern. Like... vocoder basses are going to be in right now. I'm going to set the trend. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that sub and that vocoder together, just like, yeah. All it needs is some glue. You know what that means? It needs some glue compression. Oh shit! Let's see if we can tweak this vocoder some more. What is that? Oh, that is... Oh, that is fucking... Boom. God damn. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Vocoder bass is in. Oh, it's gonna sound so good with the ozone. Alright, so I'll do the couple minutes more tweaks that I was planning on doing, and then we'll give it the final ozone listen. It's gonna be sick. Alright, tweaks are done. What I did is add a bit more effects and wild bits and pieces. Just a little bit of reverb on them. Did the offbeat hi-hat. Added another snare. I didn't put it in the drum group because I realized Bonzo on the Dials is actually just destroying whatever's in that group. So I added this other snare clap from our resistance pack for a hybrid trap. Works just as well with Riddim, apparently. Actually, why isn't that one doing that? There we go. And yeah, that's all I did, apart from the few other adjustments I did before, which you kind of saw because I got really gassed about how the bass line sounded. I forgot to do the classic. You know how Riddim has like the 1-2 bar before it switches up, and then the drums come in and it's just like everybody's like, whoa! I forgot to add that. It's time for the final listen. Oh boy, here we go. Good timing, I lost my headphones. Well, there you have it, Riddim drop in 10 minutes. Very unconventional method of doing the vocoder to make the bass line. Really, really happy with how that turned out. That's absolutely nuts. The rest of the track, it's alright, but the bass is the fucking important thing that we want to take away. That is some wonky, vocoded, stanky bass. And I guess that's that. Be on the lookout over the next couple of years. The Antidote audio name is popping off because of vocoder bass lines, and everybody's jumping on board with them. I'm such a dick. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, be sure to leave a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next video or tutorial or whatever we're doing on this channel. Have a great day, guys, and see ya.